Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create automated recurring tasks in Notion. This is incredibly useful for managing routine work, weekly reports, or any task that repeats on a schedule without having to manually create them each time. First, navigate to your Notion workspace and open the page where you want to manage your tasks. This could be a dedicated productivity page or your main dashboard. Once you're there, type /table or /calendar into the page. From the options that appear, select either Table Mainly Inline or Calendar Mainly Inline to create a new task database. The inline option keeps your database directly on the page rather than opening it as a separate full-page view. Now you'll want to structure your database properly. Click Add a Property to create the columns you need. Add properties like task name as your title, due date as a date property, and status as either a select or checkbox property. These fields will help you track and organize your recurring tasks effectively. Here's where the automation begins. Click the drop-down arrow next to the blue New button at the top right of your database. This reveals your template options. Select New Template from the drop-down menu. This feature is what allows you to create tasks that automatically populate with preset information. Name your template something descriptive like Recurring Task Template so you can easily identify it later. Then fill out the template fields with default values. If you want the task to start on the current date, set the due date property to today. This ensures each new instance of the task begins with the correct date relative to when it's created. Click outside the template editor to save your work. Now click that drop-down arrow next to New again. Find your newly created template, click the three-dot menu next to it, and select Repeat. This is the crucial step that transforms your template into an automated recurring task. In the repeat settings, you'll set the frequency that matches your needs, whether that's daily, weekly, or monthly. Specify the exact time or day you want the task to recur. This automation means Notion will automatically generate a new task based on your template at these intervals. Exit the menu and test it by clicking New and selecting your recurring template. Your recurring task is now fully set up and will be automatically created at the specified intervals in your database, saving you time and ensuring nothing falls through the cracks. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.